देवः सवितदुरितानि परासुव यदभद्रं तन्न आसुव. Namaste. With this Vedic prayer, I want to tell you about my yogic journey. Dear friends, when I completed my graduation in political science, after completing graduation, I started LLB from the KC Law College Churchgate. Anyhow, I completed my 1 year in LLB, but I was not so much satisfied with the LLB. Then I got chance to visit Haridwar, Rishikesh. So when I visited in the Yoga Vedanta Forest Academy near Shivananda Ashram, I was fully impressed with the atmosphere, the spiritual experience. There I determined in my mind that I will live now the yogic life. And if I will make this yogic life possible for everyone. When I came back to home, I started my yoga practice. But I was planning to make this yoga as a way of life. So I started a yoga course, 1 month teacher training course from the Santa Cruz Yoga Institute. But when I got the certificate after completing that course, there was written Madhyama Yoga Siksha. I was not happy with that. Immediately, I thought in mind, I will get Purna Yoga Siksha. And then I started my 7-month yoga course. It was for 210 days. And it was my record in the Yoga Institute. I was not absent for a single day. And I completed my course on time. Simultaneously, I was doing stress management session with yoga. I was conducting Sanskar Sinchan through yoga with the school and the college students. I was conducting sessions for the police department also. I was conducting sessions for the jail inmates also. So many experiences was there. So simultaneously when I got call from the DAV Public School Thane, when I was in the school, they told me, we want you as a yoga teacher here in our school. I accept that. But after taking job also, I was not so much happy because I was thinking that I want to give something more. Then I got chance to complete post-graduation diploma in yoga science. Because I was from the political science field till graduation. So to get entry for the masters in yoga shastra, it was the condition to complete first post-graduation diploma in yoga science. So I applied for that. I completed my 1 year post-graduation diploma in yoga science from the Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit Vidyapitham, which center is in Somaiya College. When I completed that, I started my masters in yoga shastra. After 2 years, I got the degree also. Simultaneously, my school education was going on and I got 75% also. I was so happy. Simultaneously, then I started thinking to get more knowledge. So I applied for the yoga instructor course from the Yes Vyasa Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Kendra, which is in the Bangalore. I completed course from there also. Then afterwards, I started planning to complete a NET exam, to clear a UGC NET National Eligibility Test to become an assistant professor in yoga. And I qualified that also. But still I'm thinking, learning never stops. Learning never stops. We need only enthusiasm to learn. And I think if you want to make a yoga as a career, determination is very important. In starting, you can face so many problems. Everybody can ask you what you are going to earn from that. But it is my own experience, satisfaction and your interest plays very important role to achieve your goal in your career. So make 2 things very important in your life. What is your interest and where you want to make your career. In which field you want to make your career. Means your career should be your interest oriented. You will enjoy your job also. You will enjoy each and every moment of your life. And if you face any difficulty or problem also, you will learn from that. And that only our Shastras are saying. So it was my yoga journey. And right now, I am working on so many programs in COVID, in the pandemic situation. I conducted session on COPD, COAD. Now I am going to conduct a session on the wise culture problems also. And full moon meditation, so many sessions I am taking simultaneously. And all these programs are going online. I was the visiting faculty in the Sain Ayurvedic Hospital also. I worked for 6 years. In Gold Gym also, in Powai, in Mulund. So many things. But let me tell you, main thing is the practical. Only getting degrees and education is not important. The main thing, how much you are in the practical life. How much you are making, whatever you are learning in the yoga field, how much you are making everything in the practice. That is very important. And when whatever you are learning, that comes in your practice, that comes in your words, and that comes in your action, and your life becomes full. And you get the satisfaction. This is my words. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Mr. Ajay. It's totally different profession.
Yeah, the reason why I requested Ajay to give this video and about what he said about that. It is a different profession. Nobody will think that you can survive in this world as a yoga teacher. We have seen yoga instructors and all that. Of course, now yoga is gaining ground. But this is not Ajay in the last 2 years or 3 years. I have seen Ajay when I was in college. He came to our college to conduct a session for all the teachers and students there. That is the time he was into yoga and meditation. And that was his passion. He was never comfortable when he was doing his masters in law. He was never comfortable. So he converted into his passion into profession. And today he's enjoying it. And this is not like, he is not a sannyasi who was left and all that. He is very much into his family life. He is, very much a common man like all of us. And he is continuing his practice in yoga. And by the way, he has enrolled for his PhD in yoga also. He has cleared the UGC examinations and national eligibility NET examination, and he is very much on the way to become a professor also. He will be very soon, he will be an associate professor, and in the days to come once he completes his PhD. So here I'll find, if you look at the concept of Ikigai, it perfectly fits what Ajay has done. It perfectly fits what Karthik, we had discussed about how they have done it. So this is where you convert your passion into that. And he is enjoying it. And he has done all the courses which fits. And sometimes it's a bit risky also to enter into such courses. Parents may not agree and many of them not agree. But Ajay was very sure that this is what he has to do. By the way, he conducts all those stress management programs and all that for the police department, for the university, various sections of the university, and he is well known in Bombay Circle for his yoga. And all the best, Ajay. Well done.
This is a new information for me. So then we just discussed about film industry, I think. Shaiju Matti posted a question. Similarly, what about other